Knowledge fit change your life.
Welcome to MoneywayTV.
Welcome back to MoneywayTV, where knowledge meets production realities. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to properly use a simple tabletop kitchen digital scale, especially for beginners who are into soap making, cream production, food measurement, chemicals, and other DIY production. A lot of people make mistakes during the production because they don't measure ingredients correctly. So in this video, I will explain the functions of the three major buttons: power, mode, and Tare in the simplest way. If you are new here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss practical production knowledge from MoneywayTV. Let's get into the video. A simple kitchen digital scale usually has three major buttons. 1. The power on and off. 2. The mode. 3. The Tare. Let us explain them one by one. The power on and off. This button is used to switch the scale on or off. Okay, you press it once to turn the scale. Wait for the screen to display this 0 before placing anything on it. After the use, press it again to turn it off. Some scale can also turn off automatically after some time when not in use. Okay, so number 2, the mode button. The mode button is used to change the measurement unit. If you look very well here, you will see where G for gram, OZ for ounce. Okay, for example, it can change between gram, kilogram, pounds, and ounce. So for this particular scale that I have here, the unit on it is on gram and ounce. So you can switch over to any of the unit of measurement you want. But here in Nigeria, we mostly go with gram and kilogram. So here you have your gram. You can see that arrow. You can see that arrow there, which is showing you that it is on gram. Example, if you are measuring small ingredients like fragrance or color, gram are usually better. If you are measuring heavier items, kilogram may be better. Okay, so that is that. Then this is how to switch. Look at it, is now in gram. As you can see, the arrow there is showing you that is in gram. So when you switch it over, this is 3.15 in ounce. Okay, this is 3.15 in ounce, but this same 3.15 in ounce is the same thing as 89 in gram. Okay, having said that, the third one, which is the Tare button. The Tare button is very important. It helps you remove the weight of container. Do you understand? Example, I'm placing an empty cup on the scale. The scale will show me that it is 88 gram. Okay, if I press Tare, okay, the screen will turn to 0. Now I will add my water. Let me add something into. Okay. So what does this mean? This means the scale will only measure the ingredient and not the boil. That is not the cup. So this measurement now is 446 gram is for the water in this cup, not including the weight of the cup. Do you get it? So example, as you can see, this is 446 is only measuring the gram of the weight of the water. So if we do it this way, look at the example now. This I off and I on. Do you understand? This is 0. Now this cup of water that I already put here, this is 533. This 533 grams shows that I am measuring. This giving me the result of this cup and the water inside. Okay, is equal to 533 gram. But if I remove the water alone and measure the plastic will give me, this is minus. So it means if I tare this, the quantity of water only in this is, can you get it now? 504. Do you understand? So this is giving me the quantity of the water alone, not plus the container, not plus the cup. But the other way around, if I remove it and zero this back, now it will give me a higher, you see it have now factored the quantity, the weight of the plastic cup or the container, as the case may be. Let us have a quick rundown on how to use the scale step by step. 1. Place the scale on a flat surface. Okay. Then 2. On the power to turn it on. Press the power to turn it on. Wait until this 0 shows. Then put your empty container on the scale. Okay, and press Tare. So when you press your Tare, it resets to 0. Then you add your ingredients slowly. Okay, read the measurement. This is 506 on the screen. Use this mode if you want to change the unit. Okay, then lastly, important tips to leave behind. Do not overload the scale beyond its limit. Like for example, this scale has 10,000 gram. That means it has 10 kg. Do you understand? This is the maximum. So don't go and load it with 15 kg or 11 kg material, which means you can use it to measure between 1 gram to 10 kg. Keep the scale dry and clean. Number 3, use on a flat table for accurate measurement. Then number 4, remove the batteries when not in use, or if you are not going to use it for a longer time, you just simply remove the battery and keep your scale. For example, this my scale has been with me for more than 10 years. It's been long, so it hardly gets spoiled unless you roughly handle it. Okay, so I will still make out time to make another video on how to use the analog scale. This is a digital scale. I will still do a video on how to do analog scale. Okay, thank you and God bless you. Don't forget to share this video, to like mine, subscribe and like. Okay, if you have any questions, you have the comment section there to tabulate them. I will answer your questions. Thank you and God bless you.